That was so obnoxious. Today's tutorial is going to be about brush lettering. We're going to do printed style, sans serif, ho ho ho, and fa la 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 la's, and then some script style happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So if you are making your own gift tags or your own holiday cards or whatever it is, this could even be for New Year cards if you don't send out Christmas cards, you know, whatever, adapt. So if you're ready, let's dive in. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my size 6 brush, mostly the belly of the brush. So we're going to be doing a lot of slanted holds and not vertical holds. We're going to do 4 different phrases that you can use on greeting cards, gift tags, whatever. 2 phrases that are in a printed style, sans serif printed style, and then 2 other ones that are in a script hand lettering style. So I am going to grab this light Scarlet Lake mixed with burnt umber situation for our first phrase, which is going to be ho ho ho. And I'm going to use about a 35-degree angle on my brush and just bring it down with a slight C curve, really thin H, and a really high up crossbar. We can mix our colors, so we can do red, green, or every other letter. I'm gonna do a red and a light red for the whole phrase, but kind of mix it up, play with it. So we're gonna do the same amount of pressure that we did for the downstrokes on our H. We're gonna do for all the downstrokes for all of our letters, so they're the same width. You want it to look consistent, but also cute and hand lettered. So I like the really tall, stretched looking printed letters. Let's maybe do the green for our next. Oh. Lighten it a little bit. Same thing, maybe stagger it. So come to this second crossbar for our first one. Eyeballing what we did the first time. Ho. Ho, ho. Back to the red. Simple and cute. What makes it look really cute is having a consistent look between each letter. So the width of all of our strokes on the O and the H are very close in size or width, and then the height of the crossbar on our H, and then the fact that we have them kind of lined up. Next, I'm going to do fa la 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 la. Let's do red. Same kind of similar printed style, fa. But I'm going to do a wide stroke for my crossbar on my F, and I'm going to make both of these crossbars the same length. Usually the second one's a little shorter. Remember to aim for the same length or width. I'm going to stagger my letters in height. Fa la. This one's a little bouncy because it's a little bouncy and melodic when you say fa la la la. So going for that vibe. While these letters are still wet, I can go back in. Fa, la, la. Fa, la, 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 la. Little wet on wet action happening. Fa la 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 la. You can keep going, but I'm gonna stop there. It's a lot of loss. You really get the point. Having them touching each other is just a really nice bleeding moment between each letter. So that's the main point of that one. Then let's do Happy Holidays. We're gonna do script Happy Holidays. You can do red or black or green. Let's do green for Happy Holidays. A dark green, so Mars black and sap green. Actually, I might just do black. Just do black. So I'm going to start with a slanted hold. And this is going to be all lowercase. Slanted hold about 35-45 degrees away from the paper. And downstroke is a little bit thick, so a little pressure. Upstroke, you're going to be thin, so little to no pressure. Pressure, release. And then I'm going to go to about the middle of the next letter, pick up my brush. Pressure, release. Pressure, release. Pressure, release. So anything that's going up or across is a thin stroke. So we're doing little to no pressure on that stroke. Just applying pressure on our downstrokes. Happy. And I didn't pencil this out before, so if you'd like to write in a straight line, I recommend penciling out some lines or the letters themselves. Holidays. Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas is going to be in the same type of script style, so I'm going to do the same slanted hold, pressure, and no pressure on my upstrokes. Merry. The brush gives it a nice texture. You can use a smaller brush for less chunky letters. So the thicker or the bigger the brush, the more chunky and not perfect looking your letters are going to be. But I kind of like that look. Christmas. So just getting light, little to no pressure on the up and across strokes while applying pressure on your downstrokes. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, fa la 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 la. Happy Holidays. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you had fun with a little different for this channel. I used to do calligraphy and lettering all the time. I don't do it as much anymore these days, but if you're hand lettering or creating your own gift cards or greeting cards, it's the perfect little touch for a little homemade touch gift. I hope you liked it. Let me know what your favorite style of lettering was to practice and do in the comments below, whether it was the script style or the printed style. Would love to know. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.